Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. I'm here back with MrWaheedulHaque.
Come on.
Today we're going to be changing the air filter on the BMW F30 3 Series 320i. If you got the pre-LCI version, you'll have it like this. And yeah, so we're going to be switching it with the man filter. Also, if you have the newer one, you'll have a different type of filter. It's like a weird shape one, which
Pretty
is the
sexist, that.
But yeah.
Why is it a man and
So this is the pre-LCI version I'm going to show you, which is 2012 to 2015. And early 16s. Alright guys, hand over the camera to Lobby. So I've got a man filter. This is the part number. I was going to get a Bosch filter, but this wasn't better apparently. Okay, so if you watch videos online, you'll actually see they take apart everything and take the whole box out. You don't need to do that. So here there's clips here if you have a look. One here, bring it forward like that. Next one, bring it forward like that. There should be two on the top as well. It should bring it forward like that. Bring it forward like that. And then you got these three grommets here, can you see? You need to zoom out. One there, one there, one down there. So now, I'm going to shim these out like this. Just to pull it up. There you go. Okay. Come on, this one's off.
It's a bit fiddly.
Oh, there you go.
There we go.
So there's the filter. Oh, that is dirty, isn't it? Cool. See, that's quite black.
Yeah.
How did I get the full box out? There you go. There's the old filter. Look how dirty that is. It's never been changed in its life. It looks like. It's fully black.
Oh, beautiful. Wow.
It's the brand new one, as you can see. It's nice and white.
Would you like to put a comparison side by side?
There's a brand new one. Have a look.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Big difference in it.
Huh?
It's fully dirty. So yeah, that's not been done well. First we're going to clean this box. So you got a lot of dirt in there. Okay. Might be a bit difficult to actually clean that.
A bit. I think it's going to be a problem.
Because we didn't take off the whole box, did we?
No.
Oh, this one's fell back in as well.
Oh.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Just done this. Just give it a quick wipe. We're going to need some wipes, so can you see all the dust in there? Just give it a quick wipe. Put your hand in there with a cloth, go around it, that's it. So we're going to do that now. And just pause the video. Now guys, we're just going to use some not very wet wipes, just normal wipes. Cleaning ones. So, manager, just going around there. Just be careful that we don't break any connectors or wires. Just get as much as you can. Better than nothing in it. Oh, my hands. It's meant to how easy it is to do. But getting these silver bits back in might be a bit hard. I've seen people say it's hard a bit sometimes. You managing? Is your hand stuck?
Just trying to get all the little crooks and crannies.
Just make sure it doesn't go down yet.
All the crooks and grannies.
Make sure you don't lose that cloth. Lose that cloth.
The pipe's there, so there's nothing it falls down.
No, it does fall into it, doesn't it?
No.
Yeah.
There's nothing there. It's there.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's on the side.
Oh, there's the pipe on that side, isn't it? Oh yeah, the pipe's on that side. Alright guys. So yeah, if you watch other people's video and they take off the full pipe there, they take off this pipe, they take off the sensor, everything, you don't need to do it. They just let you put it in there. Is that clean, yeah? Decent amount.
As clean as a problem is.
It's better than before, innit?
Yeah.
You see how dirty we run. Alright guys, here you go. I'll pop this new filter in. Ready?
Yep.
Show the comparison to me.
Yeah.
Hands are dirty.
Well, have they seen the grill yet? Have your viewers seen your grill yet?
Yeah.
Come on. Diamond cut.
Day and night, guys. Fucking hell.
Flip him around.
Can't flip that one. dirty that is, bro.
Bloody hell. And can put it next to the...
Hopefully it gives you a better feel upon it.
Or not?
Let's see.
This guy. He's alright. Wait. It's on that side. No, it's that. Yeah.
In here?
Yeah, there we go. It's in now.
Fully in?
In nice and tight, yeah?
Yep. Just get all these corners sitting. The full box is moving in it.
Yeah.
Is that right sided?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
100% fully flush? Yeah. Okay. Now we have the hard disk of putting all this back together. So this box ain't even in place, is it? Straight. So another thing with this box, if you take this box off, it's a bit hard to get back in place. There you go. That's right. Hopefully. Sugar. That one's already in, isn't it?
Yeah.
Start itself working.
As you can tell, it started raining.
One's in. Just this one now. Ugh. Fucking hell. Come on. Lit off by a millimeter. Can you see?
I thought we should do that last, no?
That's the last one.
No, after we've done the clips here.
That's not even in place, is it?
No.
That's probably why. So, we need to move the box one. There's the box in the left here. You see how much the stuff?
Yeah.
This box moved out of place a bit. So I have to lift this up. Right, we're going to pause the video for a second while we realign this.
Oh, afterwards.
Alright guys, we've put it in now. It was very easy. The clips are quite hard to get in though. If the position isn't right properly, just wobble it about, because yeah, look at the weather, UK weather, what can you do? Summertime as well.
It's not right.
So, one clip we actually couldn't get in, but every other one's in, all the grommets are in, so we just thought, fuck it, leave it. It wasn't budging no matter what, so, and everything was in place and lined up. So forget about that. So yeah, that's how you do anyways. Put it back together, and yeah, we've got no error lights on. It sounds good, no vacuum leak or anything, so all is good. So yeah, we're going to take it for a quick test drive and see if it gives a better fuel economy. We actually might do, because that one was quite dirty. So better air equals better spark in it, or whatever. So
Better air means better fuel economy.
Yes, like Labidul said.
Which brings in the economics.
The
future
entry of chicken tikka masala. Yeah, masala. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. We're going to be doing a cabin air filter soon.
Watch out for the video on how this was installed.
Yes. Also, I don't know when that cabin filter is going to come on, because as you can see the weather, we're going to have to keep the door open while we do it, because there's not much space to sit inside and do it because of where he is. So yeah, we'll see when we can do it. So yeah, anyway, stay tuned. There's a lot more stuff we're going to do. We're going to get lots of services done. We're going to get this turbo fixed. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.